Central, the callers are inside the house, correct?
Affirmative, caller now.
Okay, they still got eyes on the suspect?
My partner's still trying to get further. I guess they're now trying to break into the neighbor's shed. $8129 lead.
Okay, Central, I'm on Aldrich. Is it 537?
Affirmative, 536. I apologize. 536 Aldrich Street.
Okay. Show me out.
A127, show you out.
What's up?
I have no freaking clue.
Some guy out here with a machete?
Yeah, he pushed in my air conditioner.
Where's he at now?
I could hear him banging on my house. Broke my fucking lamp and everything.
You don't know who he is?
No idea. I have a cap gun that saved my life.
Is he in here?
Hi.
Hi, he's in there. I've been in here sitting. I locked myself in here. Gone.
It was
Matt.
It was Matt?
Yeah.
Matt who?
Bigler?
Is he in here?
I thought it kind of looked like him, but I wasn't sure.
Does he live here?
Yeah.
What's his problem?
What's his problem with me?
I don't know. First it started with me. He told me to get out of here. I got home from work. He told me get out of here. I love you though, but get out. And I'm like, dude, I live here.
You're his mom?
No.
His girlfriend? Or
You're his girlfriend?
Kinda, I guess.
Kinda. If I could find another place, then I would have found one. But you can't find a place.
Matt Bigler?
Yeah.
I thought it kind of looked like him, but I don't
Central
know.
from 8127. Subject's at his house. Matt Bigler. Could you run him?
I even messaged him right here and asked him right here.
Do you know him?
8127.
I met
Matt Ziegler?
But I said someone just banged on my back door and ran. Did you see who it was?
Bigler. B-I-G-L-E-R. And he's inside the house right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clear. I'll be running him.
Literally asking if you saw the person.
Yeah, crazy, huh? I'm like blown away.
Hey, Matt.
He pushed in my air conditioner and broke my lamp and everything. What?
And you have no idea why he was doing what he was doing?
No idea. I hardly talk to him anymore. I mean, once in a great while.
I'm clear to contact and route to home.
How old is he?
He is going to be 50. He's 49.
8129, should we clear the contact and route to Aldrich?
Actually, I could hear him yelling.
Kick the bottom.
Hey, bud.
Fuck you, man.
Fuck you.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Central, I got him at gunpoint. He's got a machete. Hey, stop! Stop! Central, shots fired! Central, shots fired. 3 shots fired, 1 subject down. I'm going to need EMS to this location, please.
Clear, dispatching EMS, 3 shots fired, subject down.
I need as many units as I can. I got the subject down on the ground now.
I have as many units as I can get coming to you at this time.
8127, we have 8314 coming in, we have 7165 coming from Misaki. Should be there 8129 should be there shortly.
4 coming from Amnesty.
Try to get a little higher, please. What?
Baby, Matt. Yeah, I know. Matt, please, stay with us. Stay with me.
Subject is down.
Oh my God.
Clear, subject down. 7165, contact the guard, we got all troops en route. So thank you, 7165. What on arrival?
Central, I'm going to start CPR.
Clear, CPR started at 2130.
Other units, if I can get light inside here, please.
Let me get on the card.
Let's get some light in here. Come on, buddy. Stay with me, my man. Come on. Come on, buddy. 4, 5, 6, 8. Stay with me, my man. There you go. There you go. Come on. Breathe. Come on. Come on. Stay with me. Center, we got EMS en route, correct? Come on. There you go. Stay with me. Stay with me. Come on. We're going to get you some medical help. Come on.
You got a pair of gloves?
I do. I got gloves.
You get it from me?
There we go. There we go. There we go. Central, I still got a pulse.
Clear on pulse.
Machete.
Let's not worry about it right now. We gotta get
Come on. Yeah, we gotta start picking up the head. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Where are we shot at?
Chest shots here, here. The first shot was back there.
Deeper, harder.
Okay, we got some breathing.
Central, 7104. Post detective has been notified. He's going to start making phone calls. Clear, post detective has been notified. We'll start making calls.
Just sit in your car, okay? We gotta get everything figured out. Okay?
Alright, I'm gonna turn off.
Yep, that's fine. Just sit in here. Don't talk to anybody about it. We'll get